Hello, knife people. My car is broke and now still in the repair garage. Transmission is now okay, but the winch wire is detached and now waiting for the wire wheel winding. Anyway, next hunt will be a bit ahead, 1 week ahead maybe, and I'm kind of prepared. This is my hunting rucksack made in Japan. I like this rucksack because it's a single big space. I can put much meat from the top inlet to the bottom as a bulk in a large vinyl bag. It takes around 30 pounds meat, no problem. Pretty large bag, and I always carry emergency items in there, in the flap. First, it's old stuff, solid alcohol, meta, very old one, but I highly depend on this stuff. And wiping paper, wet paper. And formerly, I carried this one for emergency, but I take it out and instead I put this one in there. I think it's a nicer backup than this fire steel. The weight is similar. This thick rod is useless. It's a nicer one. Oh, you cannot see it. And pill case and spare battery CL138 and tape, medical tape, and silver compass, oil filled, no frozen. It's dependable even in a very cold temperature. And headlamp, Minimus Vision, and flashlight. Jet beam BC25 neutral fight version. They are my emergent preparation. And knife is prepared. It's my hunting belt. Handy saw. Bimetal. Bimetal is needed. Removing the rib cage is a very hard job for the saw. Bimetal saw is very strong, tough and hard, like a sandwich construction. Clad steel, very nice. And my first priority comparison knife is this one. Giants 440C and 154 cm. This steel comparison. And my backup is this knife. Eka Swede 10. Sandvik 12C27. As a backup, it would make a nice knife. Very comfortable. Very efficient blade shape. And decently, it will hold 12C27. It's my hunting belt. And it's my large knife bag. You know, next tour will not be so long. Not so often. I will hunt maybe 2-3 days. But my preparation is huge. This knife, I'd like to compare with this one. I have never used this one in the field. US Navy knife. Thin knife. Easy to make my convex edge on it. Very sharp. The problem is this handle. As you can see, kind of short and very thick. How it will serve, I'm much interested in comparison to this one. This handle is longer. My homemade Scandi convex edge. But this convexing is very weak, so this angle is just a bit larger than 30. No problem. Very sharp edge. And recontoured, flat on the sides. So, in twisting motion, stable. When it was round, it was unstable. I think it will serve me nicer than before. And next prepared knives are this one. Steel comparison. This is not a clad steel. One piece. Oh no, it's a clad steel. Made in France, maybe. You can see the lamination line here. Lamination will be the correct intonation. Intonation is difficult. And this one, Hele Alden, is 12C27. I once did this test, and this steel was not very stiff, not very durable, kind of rolling steel. This French clad steel. While this one, 12C27, is a better steel, in my opinion, current opinion. So I'd like to compare actually, directly. And spare folding saw, spare portable saw. And this comparison, handle comparison. Regular handle, Gani. And short handle, Gani. This portion is ground off, of course, from the factory. This difference. Inside holding, very different feel. I'd like to compare this difference in the field. And this one, it's a great design, classy knife. Loveless Drop Point Hunter, Bark River version. Anyway, I feel like it's a better knife, but it has a decent tradition and fame. So I'd like to reconfirm if Gani is a really better knife or not. Loveless and Gani. Bark River original Gani and Loveless designed classic drop point hunter. And this knife, Japanese, my homemade, Scandinized, very sharp knife, made of Japanese Hitachi Yasugi super blue paper steel, the highest quality steel made in Japan, carbon steel, super blue paper steel. How it holds in this Scandinized edge, I'm much interested in this issue. How it holds. It's a cool knife, like a ninja knife. And this is the most important knives, this comparison. These two maybe have the same edge angle. A2 Fox River. A2 Fox River. And 3V Fox River. 3V Fox River. Wow, very sharp. Wow, very sharp. This test will take time, maybe 1 month or so. Maybe 8, 7, 8, 9, 10 deer. Endurance test. So I will need to start this comparison as soon as possible. A2 versus 3V. Anyway, I don't have this many chances in the coming tour, but my preparation is like this. Over prepared, I'm always. Not very good, but enjoyable. In the residence, in the hunting field, I can enjoy handling many knives. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.